So this is a video of me building my patio beam. So basically what I did is I took 2x8s, about 3 2x8 by 16 footers. I left 2 of them whole and cut the other 2 to length. My total beam is 22 feet 4 inches. As you can see here, here's my joints. Okay, so I tried my best to find crown side. Basically what I did is I used this PL Max Premium construction adhesive, and what I did is I put a bead here, and then I went around, bead here, and then for the middle I just kind of zigzagged back and forth. And then basically I used structural screws. The screws I used are lumber lock screws, 2 7/8 inch, so slightly shorter than 3 inch. That way I didn't penetrate the other side of the board, but they are kind of thin. They say they're structural grade. I could have used galvanized nails. I spaced them 12 inches apart, and on the seams I did them 3 inches out from the seam. I did have one that broke right here. I wasn't able to countersink them all the way. The drill just wouldn't do it, but that's okay. Basically I used clamps. You can see I still have a couple of them on there. I just finished it, but the clamps really aren't needed anymore. The internet said every 12 to 16 inches. For the most part, they're all 12 inches. I do have a couple that are shorter, like here, where I had to do both sides of my joint. So let me see if I could turn this up so you guys can see. So this is a 4x8. Now some people put plywood in between it to make it a true 4x. A 4x. I did not. I just glued it straight together. It is going to be outside. I didn't want the plywood to be soaking up moisture if it did get wet. I plan on actually burning this beam just lightly so I can stain it. I really like the way the stain looks when you burn it, or the wood, excuse me. But basically that's how I did it. 22 feet 4 inches, and here it's together. They say to let the glue dry for a day or to keep it clamped, but since I use screws I really don't have to. But I plan on putting up the patio cover this weekend. So thanks, I hope you enjoyed.